This week, we are lab testing the 2019 Honda Odyssey, Andie's first minivan. Hey, how did you get in here? Keep watching to see how this tests out. We are gonna start things off in the rear because if you're shopping for a minivan, I know this part of the vehicle is important to you. Plus, I am just way too excited to show you the magic of these seats. These seats are not only flexible, they're removable, they're slidable, they're pushable, and they disappear. So let's check it out. Just like the Pilot, you got your rear entertainment that folds down from the ceiling, which is so nice because when it's not in use, it's nice and clean. It's not taking up any space. You have some extra cup holders right here coming out of the center console and in the door, and you have your traditional seat back pocket storage. Now, aside from the track where the seats are on, the floor space is fully flat. There's 3-zone climate and vents by each seat. You can change the airspeed, the temperature, the mode. It's right here in the ceiling, or you can do it from the front. You know what else is great? Those power sliding doors. Plus, there is a window shade on every window back here. Want to get in the rear? Well, if you don't have the center, you can walk through this little center aisle. Hello. Or these middle seats have a tab on the side. Ready, go! Is that not one of the coolest things you have ever seen? And when the seats are not stowed under the floor, you have this huge bin compartment area. It fits a ton of stuff. I'm not sure if Honda makes it, but you could probably find a carpet that if you wanted to have these seats down, you can kind of cover this whole section so it's nice and flat. Just a thought. Say you gotta move your kid into college or pick something big up at the store, a look at this space. It's even long enough to do push-ups. Ugh! Gotta warm up. Now the rear seats are also a 60-40 split, so you don't have to have both of them down like I currently do. Another great benefit to this rear is that it's so low to the ground that it's so easy to get a fur kid in and out. And I saved the best for last. Honda shop vac in the back, and this thing works great. Hey, I need to vacuum that. Whistle that came out of here, but when you put the attachment on, it seemed to help. Now, it didn't get all of Andie's dog hair, but I mean, for the basic necessities of keeping your car clean, this is great. The dirt bin is also easy to access. Just pop it out, dump it, push it back in, and you're good to go. It's really cold, so I'm gonna hop on in and let me show you that rear entertainment system. Much warmer in here. So I don't really buy Blu-rays and I don't have any in the house, so I hooked up my Apple TV because there is an outlet up front, HDMI connection, and now I'm watching YouTube. Today we are going to lab test the 2019 Honda Pilot Elite. It comes with wireless headset, remote control, and there's plenty of headphone jacks around with individual volume controls. This is a great setup. Even if you're an adult, you'll be so comfortable back here. Even Andie found a new headrest. Seating, storage, vacuum, Entertainment? Does it get any better? Wait till you see the front features of this Odyssey. Again, you have the beautiful leather armrests, just like the back. Super comfortable. They're also heated, ventilated, and you have a heated steering wheel. There's a leather-looking soft finish on the dashboard. You have this tuxedo black trim. I like that the handles are made out of this material too. I think it looks beautiful and it's really easy to wipe down and clean. Now, speaking of easy to wipe down, the materials used on the door, the front dash, even these storage bins are all designed in a way that I think would be really easy to clean if you had a little accident. Huge center console, check this out. Rubberized compartment by your feet, whoa, plus a ton of little compartments in the doors. My favorite compartment is this little guy right here, the sunglass holder, because it has that convex cabin mirror. You can see all the way back to that third row, but this also has cabin watch and cabin talk. What a great way to stay connected and see and hear what's going on back there. It's really clear too, and you can zoom in. And Cabin Talk allows you to talk to your peeps back there, either through the speakers or headphones. Ooh, let the dogs out. Hi, Andy. The Honda display system is great, and it's very similar to our Honda Pilot review. So if you haven't seen that, definitely check that out too. You have smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging pad. Plus, there's also access to your Blu-ray disc player for your kiddos in the back. Gear shifter is right up here, so you don't have to worry about kids walking up, pushing on it. No access right here, only for the driver. And you have your moonroof, which you gotta love some extra light. And my goodness gracious, the biggest visors I have seen yet. Dun dun dun! Huh. Look at this thing. Too bad the mirror isn't that long. This is impressive. And I gotta show you these sliding doors. No matter how tight of a pickle you're in, you'll be able to get in and out of this van with ease. Still snowing. Let's get the Odyssey on the road and see how it does. It is so cold out there, I forgot my gloves at home, but you know what? This thing has a heated steering wheel. The button is right here, which makes it so convenient to get your hands nice and warm. I'm gonna get my camera, put it out the moonroof, and let's see what this looks like in the snow. I'm approaching an icier area, and it's downhill in the woods, so let's see how this feels. Felt totally secure. It didn't even slip out on me. When it comes to different driving modes, you have your normal, snow, and eco mode. I'm currently in snow mode and it is doing great. Plus, when it comes to safety, this Odyssey has every safety feature you could possibly want and more. And I love how Andie fits back there, right next to the seat in the rear. You can be with her during a whole road trip. And another thing that I wanted to show you with this infotainment screen is the backup cameras. Check this out. Look, there's icicles. Really nice, clear angles. Side note, another thing that I noticed while driving, there is a secret bin that pulls out of this center console, so you can keep all of your important things in here. Oh, Andie! A fresh kiss! So with that said, I think you can tell there's a lot of great features, but my top 5 favorite features are the flexibility of seating options. 2, the dual auto-sliding side doors. 3, all of the storage space, whether you're in the front or the rear. 4, cabin talk and cabin watch. I think it's pretty cool how you could stay connected to your people in the back. And 5, the vacuum in the back. That is genius. Is this lab approved? It's lab approved. Big shout out to Honda for letting us lab test the 2019 Odyssey. This is definitely a dog-friendly ride. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, and if you turn that bell on, you'll know when our next lab-tested review is up. We'll see you next time. Bye! You're like a down comforter. Warm me up, Andie. I'm so cold. Warm me up. Ooh, we gotta get the heated seats on. Andie, do you want to take the Odyssey out for a spin? Give me a high five. Yeah!